What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm VTX Fan. In today's video, yeah, that's right,
I told you to stop goofing other channels.
I'm not goofing. I'm just so excited that I'm about to go crazy. I just got this flashed by the Zook Nation master himself, Chris Moore. And I'm about to install it and see what she can do.
Now, I got this bike ready before I ordered the flash with a decatted stock exhaust, a Sprint P08 air filter, and a Yoshimura AT2 slip-on. I kept the servo and X-up valve working, and I'll explain why in a bit. For this flash, I need to unplug the O2 sensor. We're just going to plug this right back in. Battery is out and on the charger, and you just pull this till it clicks, and that's it. And then we will install this cover. We got to line up these holes. There's one hole, and there's the other. I'll plug this back in, the starter solenoid, cover that with this cover, just like that. Get these cover screws back in. I'm going to put this first screw in. Nice. Get the second one in. Put this back together. I gotta say, More Mafia is really quick about the turnaround. I mailed this off the day before I went on vacation in Florida. I was down there for a week, and the day after I got back, it came in the mail. Let's get this pause side connected. I always like to tighten these down with the socket because the screwdriver just doesn't give you a good enough connection. So I always come along behind and just give it a quick tighten. Perfect. Okay, before I button everything back up, I got to turn the key on for 10 seconds. I got to turn it off for 10 seconds. Now I got to start the motorcycle and let it idle. Now you turn your motorcycle off again, and you have to wait 10 seconds. Now it should be good to go. We'll start it up again. It's looking good. I think this flash is primarily supposed to affect mode A. What other differences am I going to see in mode B and C? We're going to find all that stuff out in this video and a whole lot more. So here's the actual sheet of instructions that come with the ECU. All restrictions and the top speed limiter have been removed. The fuel map and timing map have been optimized for this setup. The D-cell fuel cut has been disabled for smoother throttle control. The fan temp is set to 195 where it used to kick in at 220. And the rev limiter has been modestly increased to 14,700 from 14.5. As you can see, I didn't opt for the Ultimate Pops and Bangs tune. She's all buttoned back up, ready to go. I may have to wait for all this snow and salt to be gone, but you guys don't. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see what's going on with the X-up valve in B mode. It seems really quiet. We'll check it out. All right. Let's take a look at the X-up when I rev. Yep, it's still working. Alright, let's try C mode. Now we're in C mode. Let's take a look at the X-up. Yep. Working in C mode. Alright, now let's go to A mode. It's wide open. It's not moving. It's also significantly louder. This is what I had hoped for. This is why I kept the X-up valves working. It gives me a little stealth mode. If I want to go quietly, I can pop it into C mode or B mode, and the X-up valve continues to work to keep it quiet. Let's do it. See what happens. I love how you can do this on the fly. Oh, okay, it just got louder. Holy shit. Oh my god. The throttle response is insane. Auto blip feels good. No check engine lights, no codes. Oh, that throttle is smooth. Holy crap! Oh my god, you can feel the difference like night and day. It just launches you, it's just like total thrust. I gotta come up with the brake. The front wheel just wants to come up. Oh, that sounds so good. Most of the magic happens in A mode. The X-up valve opens up and stays open. The air-fuel ratio and timing maps are really noticeable. Throttle response is way quicker, and it feels like I've gained about 25 to 30 horsepower and probably 5 foot-pounds of torque. In B and C modes, it feels like a normal factory map. There's no check engine light and no codes in all three modes. ABS and traction control are fully functional in all three modes. The fan kicks in at 195 in all three modes. The Yoshimura AT2 slip-on sounds amazing with a really deep tone, and it is extremely loud. You would not believe that a slip-on could be this loud. I wanted to keep the X-up working because I like the ability to go into stealth mode, and this flash accommodates that perfectly. And if I'm going somewhere where I need to be super quiet, it takes less than 5 minutes to slip the old big ugly muffler back on.